Hi! In this video, I will show you how to design a logo in Adobe Express. In here is our blank template. To make our logo, click on Templates right here and scroll down and find Logo. Here it is. We will click in this View All to see all templates of logo available in Adobe Express. Click this icon to expand. We can choose here different templates of logo. We can also make it from scratch. Let's choose this one and edit it in our own preference. We can change the background color by clicking on the background of the logo and click right here. Choose the background color that you want. We can also change the fill color of this image by clicking on the image and choose the color that we want right here. Unfortunately, the green color here can't be changed. To change the font, double-click and highlight it. Choose here the font style that you like. Let's change the name of the logo by highlighting the text and type in the new logo brand name. We can resize this by dragging this circle right here. After designing our logo, we can share this, we can add collaborators, we can schedule posts in our different social media accounts. We can also download our logo in PNG, JPG, and PDF file. And that's it. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!